Good afternoon, everybody. It gives me great pleasure in introducing to you all Mr. C. Radhakrishnan from Chennai, a veteran tennis player who has been in this veteran circuit for the past 20 years. He has been playing tennis for more than 4 decades. How do you like this Vizag city, sir?
Vizag is equal to the hospitality, highly elevated,
Thank you, sir.
and grand wind blows always on the seashore,
Yes.
and enjoyment to see all the beautiful faces of men and women here.
There are thousand and odd games. How can you become interested in tennis, sir?
Tennis is a game where you can play up to 100 years, and you will not feel the tiredness of the game, and you love to play.
Who's your inspiration, sir, in this game of tennis?
Inspiration was, I can say, Vijay Amitraj, because his coach, Mr. Govindasamy, old man, happened to be my coach also. And he was a coach for Davis Cup players of Chennai, like Vasu and all. So the inspiration has exactly come from there.
How many hours you put in, sir, in this game?
So every day I will be having 3 hours practice, apart from singles and also doubles.
Oh, that's
I
nice.
love so much running in the morning, jogging. First I will have three different things. One is walking faster, then jogging, then running. Three things are very, very important for youngsters to come up in life, especially the sports activities.
Right, sir.
See, until otherwise they run, they cannot have the resistance.
Right.
That is why for every practice and every sports needs running.
Apart from the running, walking, etc., you do, as you had mentioned earlier, sir, in the seashore, that you are doing this physical exercises, etc. Do you go to the gym, sir, also to keep fit?
I don't go for gym, but I do yoga. Yoga is the important for everybody, because in yoga the meditation gives you a lot of good ideas, and especially my meditation for the past 30 years I am doing.
How many tournaments you have won, sir? How many prizes you have won in your long career?
See, long career is all India level. I won both the crown in Delhi, both singles and doubles. And afterwards, I used to come to quarterfinals, semi-finals like this. And now that I have attained the age, see what happens in every age after certain years, the junior comes. For example, 65 plus I am playing means now my age is 75. There are already 65 is growing every year. That means I will be little down. But I am happy that I am participating in all the tournaments with us.
Radhakrishnan sir, you are a fantastic player. And recently I met a person who was asking what would be hazards of playing tennis, whether he would develop a tennis elbow and all that. See, people at the very outset, they are upset and they start foreseeing some diseases, etc. So, did you encounter any diseases in your career and how you overcame them? So, please inform us.
The question which you asked, sir, is really a very nice one. The answer which I am going to give is also very important for the society, for youngsters as well as for elderly persons. When I was playing so nicely, and when I am also a yoga master, when I have developed my arts career, teaching Veenas and bhajans and singing songs, etc., etc., I had heart attack. After playing tennis, I had a chest pain. Then I went to doctor. Doctor checked up and he said, you must undergo the bypass. Then I requested doctor and I also told him, doctor, with all these careers of my activities, why should I get this heart attack? He said, it's fate. We also do operations, but we leave the results to him. Even the doctors also has got the same idea in their mind. Then I said, doctor, please just give me a small assurance that I'll be able to play my tennis as soon as I finish my 3 months time. Is it possible? Otherwise, I will get it done or cured by myself with the pranayama. Then he said, okay, I will definitely give you an assurance. Bypass is over. Third month, they had a treadmill test. He said, Radhakrishnan, you can go for your tennis. Delhi also you can go. I was very happy. Then he said one thing. You asked me one question. With all these sports activities, why should I get my heart attack? And these activities, which you are working very hard and sincerely, that helped you for the fast cure and fast recovery. And now you are sound. And after that, I started playing tennis, and now I have more strength and stamina than what I had. Not only on account of the heart surgery, and also the everyday practice of yoga and the meditation. And people, those who have got illness, don't feel for it. Carry on. That illness, you just have it in your mind, not fixed, and you fix what is the boundary and the limitation of your exercise. That will help you for a long and good life to have in your future.
Thank you. So you are happy coming to Vizag to take part in this tournament?
Very much happy. Every year I will be coming.
Yes,
here,
and
because the
you are
people here, those who are organizing this tournament, and all very good people. And Oyster Tennis tournament is the best Oyster Tennis when I get DSN Raj here, very, very nice job. And some of the police officials are in charge here to conduct these tournaments are very good. Even the sports ministers are also involved here. So we are very happy about the entire situation and the way in which they create atmosphere, beautiful atmosphere. For that we are attracted. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for saying so many kind words about the Vizag city's hospitality. Thank you very much for giving us time. Thank you, sir.
I met you.
Thank you.